activity po natin ngayon is swimming and snorkeling.
Okay.
Our include to the Tour A. Yes, because Tour A is very very nice. One of the places included to the Tour A, Kayangan Lake.
Yes.
But we have a 13 lakes here in Coron Island. But this open to the public is only 2. Barracuda Lake and Kayangan Lake. And of course, our 11th lake is not open to the public because it was protected by indigenous people here in Coron Island. Okay? And our first activity today, we're going to the